look, it could take you 24 hours to completely mess your life up financially, right? All Tasha has to do is go outside and go buy a car she cannot afford today. They will allow you to walk out the dealership with no money down, right? And then you're sitting there paying $700 a month for a car for the next 7 years. Great luck. You're done, right? And then they want that mistake fixed at the same speed as the way they got into debt. It doesn't work that way.
Mhm.
Okay. So I think even for people who just start and they're trying to figure out, okay, where the hell do I even start with this? That's why I said budgeting comes to number one, right? It's like going to the gym. You know, when they say, yo, I want to go lose weight. What should I do? You need to eat right. That's the first thing they tell you. You need to eat right. You need to drink water. You need to change your body. No, what we think about going to the gym, pumping weights, doing bench presses, sit-ups. No,
Mhm.
cardio,
Right.
drink water, eat right.
Yeah.
So it's the same thing with your finances. Before you get to the investing step, you still got to take care of yourself. If you were downsized last year, if you look at your savings and go, I don't feel comfortable, take some time and build that up. The market's not going nowhere, right? Because remember, the way we're trying to think about this is not just for tomorrow, it's 10 years from now. Because guess what? I'm 37 years old. Okay. So being 37, that means that the decisions that I made at 27 are affecting me now. And I don't know about you, but that went really quick.
Yeah, it did.
Okay. Went
We're about the
really
same.
quick,
We're the same age.
right?
Yeah.
It went, you remember 27, you was like, I'm living life, YOLO, this is great. And then when you was
Mhm.
27, you was wondering, damn, man, remember when I was 17? Right? So it's the same thing. 47 is going to turn around like this. Eventually, you're going to see it. You're going to sit there and be like, yep, my kids got to do this. My kids got to do that. The decisions you make today is what's going to influence you in 10 years. Make sure your future self thanks you for today.
Yes, that's absolutely right. And I was listening to the Budgetnista really quick, and she said she gave her older self a name, and she literally calls her older self that name and says, "I'm preparing for this person."
Absolutely.
So,
Absolutely.
once
Correct.
we get, and this is why I think balance is important. Once we get our emergency fund to the level it should be, and this is for everybody, then it is safe to invest the money because you
Yes.
want to look 10 years ahead at your 47, your 48, whatever year old self and say, okay, you're not going to be disappointed when you get there. That's what
Right.
because I don't want to be disappointed. When I could have been investing in my 20s, I was eating McDonald's and Chick-fil-A and buying at
Yep.
Sephora and going to the
Yep.
movies and going to
Yep.
Jamaica on vacation. I was not
Yep. Living.
considering these times. So